Hi, my name's Tia, and I'm going to talk to you about studying allied health at the University of Adelaide. At the University of Adelaide, health excellence is written in our DNA. We've been leading the way in health education and research for over 135 years, and we're South Australia's most comprehensive and globally recognised health education environment. In 2021, we proudly launched our suite of allied health programs with degrees in speech pathology, physiotherapy and occupational therapy. When you study with us, you join our incredible history and become part of the next generation of healthcare professionals making a difference in the world. Where will allied health take you? Working as a speech pathologist, physiotherapist or occupational therapist, you will have the power to transform lives and help people live their lives to the fullest. Speech pathologists support some of humanity's most precious gifts, the abilities to communicate and to eat and drink, while physiotherapists help people achieve and maintain a better quality of life through freedom of movement. Occupational therapy is about helping people and communities to participate in the activities of everyday life, from working to education or socialising, or simply looking after themselves. Across each area, the work is fascinating and intensely rewarding. You will get to work with people of all ages, from a broad variety of cultures, and no 2 days are ever the same. All three of our programs are taught in a hands-on way, combining tutorials, practicals, workshops, and simulation. You'll also learn alongside students from other allied health programs, so you can build strong communication, interpersonal, and problem-solving skills, and be prepared for the collaborative nature of real-world employment. All offer small class sizes and a supportive environment, which means that you're not just a number or face in the crowd. You really get to know your lecturers and they'll get to know you. Allied health professionals are already highly sought after, and with 30 to 35% industry growth predicted for speech pathologists and physiotherapists by 2026, demand is growing fast. An allied health degree could also be your chance to travel. Your qualifications will be recognised around Australia, with much of Australia's predicted industry growth occurring in regional areas. And our allied health qualifications may be transferable to many countries around the world. Our degrees open doors to a huge variety of career opportunities. You might work in public or private hospitals or rehabilitation centres, or in community, disability, education or aged care settings. There are also opportunities in research. You could change the way we assess and manage a range of conditions, leading to better health outcomes for the population. As an occupational therapist, you'll help people to participate in the activities of everyday life, improving their health and well-being at the same time. You might help children develop fine motor skills so they can learn to write, or more broadly regulate the way they engage in the world around them, or help elderly people with strategy so they can continue to live in their own homes. Or you might assist someone recovering from a workplace injury return to their passion. As a physiotherapist, you'll learn how to help people recover from injury, reduce pain and stiffness, increase mobility, and prevent further injury. But your impact goes far beyond the physical. You might help a child take their first steps, or provide lifestyle advice to a patient with a chronic illness, or help someone to recover muscle strength after cancer treatment. As a speech pathologist, you work alongside your clients to overcome a broad range of communication and swallowing challenges. You might work with babies looking at feeding, swallowing and attachment, or with teachers helping children with speech, language or reading difficulties connect with their peers. Or you might support someone who has had a stroke or a traumatic brain injury, using technology to help with communication or assisting them to eat and drink safely. Whichever path and program you choose, as an allied health graduate from the University of Adelaide, you can make your own history. Our students learn in fantastic facilities. The Ray Last Laboratories are home to the statewide body donation program. It's here that you will have the unique privilege of examining real human anatomy specimens. While this can be unfamiliar at first, it really helps you to translate the information you are getting from textbooks, lectures and tutorials into a real-life environment. We also have brand new purpose-built training facilities. Our immersion room allows students to witness medical procedures or scenarios in a life-sized environment with 360-degree videos and images projected on the surrounding walls. We also have an occupational therapy hub, complete with student learning kitchens, bathrooms and a sensory space for working with children. And we have plinth rooms, a rehabilitation gym and a hospital simulation space, complete with all the physiotherapy equipment that you would find in any clinical practice and hospital rehab setting. Our dedicated speech pathology space includes clinical spaces, a voice analysis booth, and hospital rooms to help students practice assessment and management strategies. Industry placements are a key part of our degrees. Depending on the program of study you choose, you'll experience between 750 and 1,000 hours of work-based training. Essentially, from the beginning of Year 3, you'll be on placement. You'll work with children and adults of all ages in a huge range of areas. So by the end of the degree, you'll have the skills you need to practice and implement evidence-based practice and the confidence to step straight into your career. In 2021, the University of Adelaide launched 3 allied health degrees: the Bachelor of Occupational Therapy Honours, the Bachelor of Physiotherapy Honours, and the Bachelor of Speech Pathology Honours. The Speech Pathology and Occupational Therapy programs are offered over 4 years of full-time study or equivalent part-time study. The Bachelor of Physiotherapy is only available via full-time study over 4 years. In each of the degrees from 3rd year, you'll have the opportunity to engage in one of 2 streams, research or industry, and undertake a major project. Research will hone your skills in developing new knowledge, while the industry stream develops skills to plan and implement project work. Are you ready to make history? We're all about helping you make it happen. See you soon.